welcome to Dilkash Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking a very traditional European dish called steak vegetables with pepper sauce. For this dish you will take about 8 to 9 potatoes and cut each of them into 4 pieces each. We will be frying these potatoes, so as you will see now. In a wok we are going to heat some oil at a medium heat so the oil is simmering and we can fry our potatoes in it. Make sure your potatoes are covered in oil and there's not any left out. Fry your potatoes when the oil is hot. In a saucepan, add some water and put it on a medium heat. We're going to use this water to create our pepper sauce. As you can see, we have some pepper sauce. We can just add water and milk or just water. So add around 3 tablespoons of the pepper sauce powder to the water and mix it up. Make sure to whisk it properly so there's no lumps left, and let it boil until the sauce is created. As you can see, our potatoes are being fried now. Make sure to move them around so none of them are left uncooked or raw. This is our sauce. As you can see, it is frothed at the top. That means it's kind of ready. And as soon as it starts bubbling, we can take it off heat and let it simmer and let it cool down. So take a strip of loin beef steak and pound it with a pounder or mallet. Then sprinkle some salt for seasoning. Rub in some black pepper on steak for some spice. Make sure to cover both sides. As you can see, our sauce is nearly ready and our potatoes are fried. You will see that your potatoes are ready when they're golden brown. Now take your potatoes out and make sure to drain all the oil away and put them in a plate. Add some oil to another pan and fry your steak in it. Basically, you're frying it at a very low heat so it doesn't burn. I think you can see that our sauce is now ready because there's a thick creamy layer on top which shows us that it's ready. Make sure flip your steak. Put your lid on the pan and let your steak simmer and steam up. Then fry some peas in another pan or in the same pan after you fried your steaks. Same with some sweet corn and serve. So put your steaks, your peas, your potatoes, your sweet corn, and then add your sauce on top and yummy. It looks absolutely amazing. It was delicious. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, click the subscribe button below, and keep watching our channel for new videos like this. Bye!
I want the best.